Number 1.
1994 Chevrolet 3500, price $6,900, powered by a gasoline 7.4-liter 454 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a black exterior complemented by a gray interior and is configured as a two-wheel drive vehicle with an airbag suspension that enhances both stance and ride comfort. This Chevrolet is a one-owner vehicle with a clean title and has been well cared for throughout its life. It runs strong and smooth, benefiting from consistent maintenance and regular servicing. The engine and transmission were fully rebuilt and refreshed less than 30,000 miles ago, providing added reliability and peace of mind. Additional features include working air conditioning, heater, and an upgraded sound system for comfort and convenience. The truck also comes with current registration and a valid smog check, making it ready to be driven and enjoyed immediately.
Number 2.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. This Chevy is in good condition considering the age of the truck and has been consistently maintained throughout its life. It is equipped with a reliable 350 engine and currently shows 254,000 miles. The truck has recently been fitted with new tires and features a clean interior, including a dashboard with no cracks and seats that have no tears or major wear. The owner has had the truck for approximately 30 years and has taken great care of it, keeping all maintenance paperwork and performing regular oil changes every 5,000 miles.
Overall, the vehicle has been well looked after both mechanically and cosmetically.
The only known issue is the radio, which is not functioning properly and is believed to be related to the speakers rather than a major electrical problem.
Number 3.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, shows 194,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission powered by a gasoline engine. It is equipped with a strong 5.3 LS Vortec engine paired with a 4L60E transmission and a reliable 4WD system, providing solid performance and versatility for various driving conditions. The truck features a red interior and is well maintained, with cold air conditioning and hot heating working properly, ensuring comfort in all seasons.
All functions and systems are in good working order.
The bed has been rhino-lined for added durability and protection, making it suitable for work or hauling. The exterior is highlighted by a custom color-changing paint job that transitions from red to orange and yellow depending on the light, giving the truck a unique and standout appearance.
Number 4.
1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $5,995, with only 86,000 miles on the odometer. This automatic transmission truck remains in excellent condition for its age. Finished in a sleek silver exterior paired with a comfortable tan interior, it offers a timeless and attractive appearance. Equipped with a robust V8 engine and capable four-wheel drive, this truck is built to handle demanding tasks with ease, whether for work or off-road adventures. The Laramie SLT trim provides a spacious and well-appointed cabin, featuring comfortable cloth seating and a large center console that adds both convenience and comfort. Its extended cab design allows extra room for passengers or additional cargo, making it practical for daily use as well as long trips. Beyond its good looks, the 1998 Dodge Ram 1500 is designed for performance and durability.
Number 5.
1989 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,500, showing approximately 250,000 miles. The truck is powered by a gasoline 350 small block V8 engine mated to a TH400 automatic transmission, delivering strong and dependable performance for its class. It runs and drives well, making it a reliable option for daily use, work, or restoration. The vehicle is in solid condition with zero rust, which is a notable advantage for a truck of this age. It features a newer orange exterior paint that still presents well, paired with a brown interior that maintains its classic look. While the engine could benefit from a good tune-up to optimize performance, overall this Chevrolet C3500 remains a well-kept, durable, and honest heavy-duty truck.
Number 6.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, well-maintained truck with approximately 200,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission. It comes in a classic blue exterior color that is complemented by a matching blue interior, giving the truck a clean and consistent look. Recently, the vehicle received a fresh oil change within the last 200 to 300 miles and is fitted with brand new tires, ensuring a smoother and more reliable drive. Additionally, the truck has passed the North Carolina State Inspection, indicating that it meets current roadworthiness standards. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 remains a solid and dependable truck, especially considering its age.
Number 7.
1993 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,000, with around 200,000 miles and a manual transmission, finished in green with a gray interior. It is the LD version with 6 lug axles and a 14-bolt differential. The truck has a newer 350 engine with an aftermarket intake and COWS TBI adapter, using an 880 roller cam block, along with a refreshed fuel system, new ECM and PROM chip, a new 4-core radiator, and a new O2 sensor. Power is sent through a reliable NV4500 5-speed manual transmission, and the rear brakes have been replaced. The interior is in excellent condition with original GM floor mats and a Sony stereo.
It includes a fifth-wheel ball and GM bed mat.
The heater works well, the AC compressor has been removed, and the tires have tread but show their age. Overall, the truck runs great and is in solid condition.
Number 8.
1978 Chevrolet K10, price $8,500, features an automatic transmission, a white exterior with a blue interior, and runs on gasoline with a 350 V8 engine. The truck runs, drives, and stops, and is very solid for its age. It has a new high-quality 4-core radiator, along with a new water pump, thermostat, belts, and hoses.
It still needs some TLC, including a tune-up and carburetor rebuild after long-term storage.
The windshield is cracked, the AC compressor and tailgate are missing, but all smog equipment is present. The engine was reportedly rebuilt about 25 years ago with less than 5,000 miles since. It comes with a current California non-op title and has great potential as a classic patina K10.
Number 9.
1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,000, with 229,000 miles, equipped with an automatic transmission and finished in a white exterior. As a classic heavy-duty pickup, this truck is well known for its durability and straightforward design, making it a solid choice for work, hauling, or anyone looking for a reliable older truck. It belongs to the heavy-duty 2500 series, which is built to last, and is powered by a strong V8 engine that delivers dependable performance. The simple and easy-to-maintain drivetrain adds to its practicality, especially for long-term ownership. Overall, the truck is clean for its year, runs and drives well, and remains a capable and dependable workhorse.
Number 10.
1980 Chevrolet Cheyenne, price $4,200, dependable work truck powered by a gasoline 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a TH400 gearbox. It is a 2WD long bed truck equipped with an 8-lug setup. The exterior is finished in blue, while the interior features a clean black color. The truck runs and drives well, is properly registered, and comes with a clean title. Recent maintenance includes a new radiator, a new starter, and a fresh tune-up. The body is in good condition with no rust, except for a small area near the battery tray. All systems are functioning properly, though it does not have air conditioning. Overall, this Chevrolet Cheyenne is a solid and reliable work truck ready for daily use.